What's up, guys? I know I've already played this game today, but doesn't mean I can't do it again. Wait, what? Okay, I think I just now saw something. Okay, whatever. It is fine. Oh gosh. Yep, I just now saw it. Just don't look up at the top until I'm in a game. Um, find the fridges. You know what? Okay, let's do this. Let's just do this. Find fridges. 0 out of 102 fridges. Wow. Factory place thing? Fridge mart? Wait, can I get that fridge? Get that fridge. No, I cannot. Okay, who cares? Oh. Why do I have to buy them? Oh, hi, fridge. Are you a fridge? Not a fridge. Dang it. Not a fridge. Okay. Fridge. Fridge. It's all fridge. Dojo. Dojo Mojo. Dojo Mojo. Wada wada wojo. Hi, I'm a creeper. Ooh, I found a fridge. Fridge. Endoburger? What's an endoburger? Wait, can I... I'm a fridge. Wait, it's a money fridge. I shall reset my character, reset my character, reset my character, reset my character. No, I'm all the way down here. It's only one. Yes, I'm not that good at editing, so all I'm gonna do is show with my mouse. So, probably want to make sure you're following my mouse, unless, like, well, if I say, look at this. Yeah. What? Oh god, I actually do that good. So okay, you know what? I'm just gonna keep jumping. Just keep jumping. Crap! You know what? Usually it's easier if I do this. God, oh god, oh god, oh god. Yeah! I see you, and I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you one way or another. I was that close, too. How do I get out? Right there. That is... I will never do that, ever. Why did it say hamburger? What? Go, what's in here? Oh, is this... No, this is the dojo. Of course it's an obby. That I suck at obbies, so... That's fun. Ugh. Frick. The thing glitched. Oh. Is it like a black belt guy? Ninja fridge. Why is it saying hamburger? Hamburgers aren't even healthy. Oh, he's playing. A fridge is playing. Find the fridge. Bro, that's actually kind of smart, actually. What? What? What is that hole? I think I see, like... I see something in it. Wait, let me zoom in. I do? One way over another. Actually, I just now found the way. It's a spider. Of course it's a spider. I thought it was some evil guy. But no. Whenever I saw its legs, I saw that it was a spider. What the heck? Okay. Dang it. There we go. Why is it saying hamburger? You guys may not be able to hear it, but it's saying hamburger. My God! This is a hamburger. What is up with him and hamburgers? It's over here. Huh. What? Huh. And huh. Huh. Wait, can I jump over that? No. No. What? I did not turn my camera. What? Heck. Huh. 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 I know I'm making weird noises, but I don't care. Huh. Stop saying hamburger. Why is it saying hamburger? I mean, I at least got it, and it was rare. But, bro. I got 5 fridges set up. This is a fridge. Isn't it? Yep, this is a fridge. No, it's not. Oh. Oh. Oh! Wait, what? I found the sand fridge. That's the easiest thing to find ever. Sheriff, 20 fridges required. I only have 6. Crap. Wait, what? I see an empty space. Wait, what? Where? It's not really. Oh. Okay, let me get out of this. I'm also on a PC, so it's a little slow for me to do it. I have 177. Listen. Bruh. Stop saying hamburger. Why is it saying hamburger? What? Imagine there was a tiny fridge, and just by walking around, someone got super lucky and they got it. I would want to be them. Yeah, I can't go in it because I don't have 20 fridges. That sounds super weird to say. Hey, this is not a salon. What do you mean? Hey, orange juice. Didn't spend any of my things. Yep, I saw it. Bye-bye. I knew it. I knew there was something with the cactuses. What? How's that fair? What? And I know I can just do that because I'm super bad at parkour. I'm actually kind of good. Except this is proof that I'm not, even though I actually am, though. There we go. Stop saying here. Actually, did that say hamburger? I don't know if that did or not, actually. Are you the hero the legends speak of? What legend? Legend says a hero will save me from starvation and deliver me an orange juice and hamburger from Fridge Donald's. IDK bro sounds kind of fake. What? What legend? Da, 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 da. Sure. IDK bro sounds kind of fake. And the legend says you gotta deliver me the yum yums. What's in it for me? I'll give you a cool epic fridge. Alright bro, I'll do it. Splendid. Here's goodbye. Did he say anything? No, it doesn't look like it. Alright. Wait, what? Why is it always the... Oh, that's because of the orange juice, yeah. Wait, what's in here again? Oh, I haven't even gone in here yet. The maze or the... Pyramid maze or pyramid obby? I want to do the obby. Now, and then I want to see if I can cheat the maze. It just depending on how he made it, though. Huh. What happened? This is such intense music. I love it. Also, no, I did not edit this music in. Although that would have been cool if I actually knew how to edit. Frick. At least we spawned right here. It's nice. Go. Possible. Oh, go from inside. Let's go from inside. Go, go, go. I will take vengeance. I will report this person. What? I'm not going to. He made this really hard though. I also like, but he did make really good music. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Josh. Alright, if I can. There we go. I'm gonna do the maze. Oh, dang it, I can't cheat the maze. Unless, yeah, I can't cheat the maze. Dang it. I'm gonna see if I could zoom way out and cheat the maze. I think he's just gonna follow me. Hey, Jay? No. No, Jay. You shall not follow me, Jay. No, Jay. Jay, no. No, stop it. I found a statue. I found a statue. Jay, stop. Stop following Jay. I have 9 fridges. Actually, does he recognize me as a YouTuber? Even though I only have 3 other videos, we watched them. And I wanna. I found it. Oh, I found it. I found it. Found the last fridge. Huh, that's nice. Bye. Bye now. Bro, what? How is this possible? No, how is it just a plains, a desert, right after the desert, a snowy biome, the snowy area. 5 snowballs needed. How do you get snowballs? How do you get snowballs? What's up here? Of course. That is a small house. What? Ah, I see. I see. Yo. Crap. What? That disappears too? This is stressful. Dang it. This is so stressful. I want to see if he fails. So far, no. I cannot stop. Cannot stop. Look at that. I cannot stop. Crap, 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 crap. That is impossible, would it? Oh, you have to switch back and forth. Okay. You have to, I believe you have to switch back and forth. Yeah, like he's doing. Oh no, there's lasers too. Whoa. Crap. Okay, actually, this has been too long. Okay, I did not realize it was that long. Okay, thank you all for watching this, and wow, I did this too long. I mean, only 2 minutes over, but still. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell, and hope to see you next time. Bye.